Hey, I've been working on this Nissan Maxima. It's a 1999 Generation 4. And ever since I got the car, it's had a P1320 primary ignition coil or primary ignition failure or circuit failure. And the previous owner tried some of these MAS coils, and I thought maybe I could get them to work, but sometimes the car would run a couple days without the code, and sometimes it would immediately set the code. And I was getting where I was thinking maybe it was something wrong with the wiring. I've heard the wiring looms can sometimes have issues, but I checked all the wiring and everything seemed okay. I had continuity on all the paths, and so I decided to try a set of the Hitachi coils, and definitely that made the difference. Aside from curing the 1320 check engine code, it gave the car a lot more throttle response and a lot more power. And I was surprised. I'd never driven the car without the problem, so I didn't know how much more powerful the car could be. And it's to the point where you have to be a little careful starting off at a light, because it will turn the tires over and lose traction, even on a dry pavement, if you're not careful. And so I was very impressed with the car now. It's got a lot more power than I realized it could have, and it's just from putting in the proper coils. And so these are the Hitachi coils. I got them from O'Reilly, and they told me I could bring them back if I didn't burn them up. They said I could bring them back if they didn't cure the problem, and I don't think I'm going to be taking them back. I think it cost me around $400 and some, tax and everything for all of that, but it's well worth it because the car has come alive now and runs great, and it's a big improvement over the old MAS. And the factory coils actually had a problem. They would actually set a ignition, a bad coil, but I could never locate which one it was. It seemed to be all of them. So anyway, just wanted to share my experience. The forums were correct. The folklore about the Hitachi ignition coils or the Japanese-made coils, in my case, it rings true, because I put these in and they were like the magic bullet. They cured the issue and just woke the car up, and it's pretty impressive how powerful the car runs now. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your projects.